Hi guys, today I'm cooking stew peas for dinner and I'm using the red beans and it's gonna be meatless stew peas today. So I'm gonna turn on the stove so the beans can cook. So here we go. Come along and we'll see what happens. The cooking of the beans is progressing nicely. I'm gonna put some cold water on it to sink those on top according to what I learned when I was growing up. Okay, here we go. I suppose they'll go to the bottom now. And we'll proceed. So guys, my beans are done cooking for my stew peas. So I'm putting in a teaspoon of salt. And I'm also putting in the coconut milk. And it's from a little store I like to shop, Fresh Thyme. So I'm gonna put the seasoning and some spinners in a little bit and let it go down to the consistency that I need. I've made the spinners from gluten-free all-purpose flour because someone is eating with us who doesn't do gluten. The texture is completely different from the regular all-purpose white flour. So I'm gonna put these in. Little spinners, and then I'm going to be ready to put the seasonings in. So my spinners are there. Let's go for the rest of the seasoning. Okay guys, I'm going to put in the seasoning. In here I have a pepper, piece of rosemary, green onion, and thyme. So I'm going to put this in. And I'm going to put some of the seasoning I made, a tablespoon in there. I'm going to put some, this is dash. Some onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of cumin, some Italian seasoning, and I already put the salt in, as you recall. So this is just gonna boil down to the consistency that we need. And I'm gonna cover it up and I'll come back and show you the finished product. And by the way, I'm putting a little bit of cayenne pepper in too. So now we just need it to go down to gravy consistency. So I'll come back and show you. Hey guys, everything is going well here. But I remember seeing my daughter-in-law cook for my son, who is a straight vegetarian, and she used to add mixed vegetables. So I'm gonna do that and see how it comes out. Yep. So then this is really meatless 2-piece with a twist. Wow. Alright, so I'm gonna let this boil down. I hope there's no more twists. Hope this is the last thing I'm gonna change. All done, guys. Can stay here and simmer until the fire goes all the way out, but it's all done. Nice consistency. If you taste it, believe me, you would wonder, you wouldn't know there's no meat in there. Guys, I'm done cooking, so let me share this dinner. Okay, now I'm gonna get the stew peas. Oh. Okay, guys, this is dinner.